After this video, you will be able to earn thousands of dollars a month from YouTube. With ChatGPT and Pictory.AI, you will be able to create videos in seconds and create an automated YouTube channel, and you will earn money while you sleep. Listen carefully to the steps I will show you in this video, and watch the video without skipping to understand it better. First of all, we are entering the chatgpt.com. Then we log in. You can ask for a script on any topic you want to ChatGPT. For example, write at least a 5-minute YouTube video about 10 places to visit in Europe. As you can see, ChatGPT writes a YouTube video in seconds. Sometimes it stops on its own, but don't worry, type continue and ChatGPT will continue writing from where it left off. If you don't like the text it wrote, you can write it again until you like it. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. Now you will be very surprised when you see the level at which artificial intelligence has arrived. From the link I gave in the description part of the video, register the Pictory.AI. Such a screen will appear in front of you. As you can see, the site has a lot of features, but today we will use the script to video section. Copy the text that ChatGPT wrote and paste it into this section. Also, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest a title for your video. Then click on the Proceed button. Choose a template that fits your video. I'm choosing the sunrise template. As you can see, our video is ready. I chose Tom because I like Tom's voice.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases.
You can set stock videos from this section as you want. If there is a video you don't like, you can change it. Don't worry, this watermark on the top of the video will not be visible when we download the video. And now we can press the Generate button, and our video is ready in minutes. As you can see, our video is ready now, and we can upload it to YouTube. You can ask ChatGPT to write a description, and ChatGPT will write you a description in seconds. You can even write tags for your video with ChatGPT. ChatGPT wrote the tags in seconds. If you don't want the video made with Pictory.AI text at the top of the video, you can upgrade your account for a small fee. See this money like an investment in your YouTube channel, and don't be afraid to spend money. Instead of eating out one day, you can invest in this business model that will earn you more in the future. Don't waste any more time and start creating content and making money today. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.